Assalamu alaikum student, my name is Priya Khan and you people are watching Learn English with Roshni. So today I am going to teach you a powerful method that will change the way you learn English. It is called deep processing. It helps you store information for a longer time, understand better and actually use what you learn. Let's begin with this headline. Emergency in Punjab after record deluge. It seems simple, right? I know it. In fact, many learners might skip it thinking there is nothing special in it except maybe one new word, deluge. And this is exactly why I selected this headline, to show you how even a simple sentence can become a rich learning tool if we use it correctly. So check step number 1. In step number 1, what we are going to do? Let's first look at the words in this headline. First one is emergency and second one is deluge. Emergency means serious, urgent situation. Now connect this to similar words. Like for example, you can say crisis, disaster, urgency or alert. Now this word deluge. So what is the meaning of deluge? It means very heavy rainfall or flood. So what are the related words? Flood, downpour or torrential rain. What did we do just here? Without memorizing anything, you have added 8 to 10 new words to your vocabulary just by making connections. This is the reason whenever I teach you editorials, I mention several different words to create connections. This is deep processing. You go beyond one word and explore its family. Now let's check step number 2. In step number 2, ask yourself questions to connect this headline to what you already know. This activates your brain's memory and expand understanding. Like for example, you can say, have I ever heard about floods in Punjab before? Or you may say, what happens when a region declares an emergency? Like many questions started emerging in my mind. Next one, what do I already know about the monsoon season in Pakistan? Can I connect this to climate change or rising rainfalls in South Asia? When you ask such questions, you start retrieving information from your own memory and combining it with what you are learning. This helps you understand faster and remember longer. So step number 3. Now take the headline and use its vocab in real, natural sentences. For example, you saw this word emergency and then crisis, disaster, urgency or alert. So I'm going to pick one word and make this sentence on it. For example, I'll say rescue teams acted urgently to control the disaster. So the next word, deluge, and we saw different words, flood, downpour, torrential rain. So I'm going to pick this one and make my own sentence on it. For example, many villages were left under water after the torrential rain. When you speak or write these kinds of sentences, you are not just learning words, you are learning how to use them. This step is extremely powerful and often skipped by learners. But trust me, it's a game changer. Literally, it's a game changer. So this step is optional, but it is extremely powerful. Like what you have to do, try teaching what you just learned to someone else, even if it just by saying it out loud. For example, I learned that deluge means a very heavy flood. It is a stronger word than just rain or shower. And I also found out that connecting it with other words like torrential rain or downpour helps me remember it better. So when you teach, you remember better, you become more confident, and your brain shifts from passive learning to active mastery. So next time when you read a headline, don't skip it. Break it down, connect the words, ask yourself questions, and use what you have learned. This is what I call smart learning, and this is how you can become fluent and confident in English faster than ever. If this method helped you, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's learn English smarter, not harder.